Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sweetology. Comes in this super cute box, hot pink, and it has their name going all around it. So Sweetology is a company that's based right outside St. Louis, Missouri. They're in Town and Country, Missouri, and they have a physical store that you can go into, or you can get a subscription box or just a decorating kit if you don't want to subscribe monthly. But I'm going to show you what came inside my box. So right on top they threw in some little temporary tattoos that say Sweetology and have little cupcakes on it, which is very cute. So here's some more information about their company. Their kits freeze beautifully until ready to decorate. Just remove the sprinkles and the sugar little decorations that come inside there. And then how to use a piping bag, how to fill it. You can go to their YouTube page and get some tips and inspiration for decorating. And those look really cool. Different cookies and cupcakes and cakes. You can get all different kinds of kits. And this is really cool that they have a physical location, so you can go there and do decorating parties. You can have birthday parties there, all sorts of stuff. Corporate parties, that would be fun. Baby shower, bridal shower, all different occasions. They even have a summer camp. That's so fun. I love decorating and baking, so that is right up my alley. I would have loved to do this, you know, as a kid or even as an adult. And then they have decorating classes as well. Very cool. So let's take a look inside. They have it very nicely packed. Here's our decorating kit with sprinkles, all sorts of stuff. We have a mixture of chocolate and vanilla cupcakes and then the icing on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out so you can see what all this stuff looks like up close. So here are the cupcakes. They're individually wrapped in cellophane. And I like that we get a variety, and they are pretty big cupcakes as well. We're gonna have lots of fun decorating these. So this one is the Great Outdoors decorating kit. I spent so long looking at their website because not only can you do like the monthly subscription and they will ship it anywhere in the US, but you can also pick different themes if you just want a decorating kit. So they had some like a back to school one, and it was themed with little sugar decorations for that. They had one that was for cats. There was little cat heads on there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Holidays, pretty much anything you could think of. A beach theme, lots of good stuff. So you should definitely check them out. But here we have some multicolored sprinkles. Then there are some plain green and plain yellow. And then a couple packet of these. There's two different ones. So there's a bear, a little campfire, looks like a little RV, a tree. And these were my favorite type of sugar decorations when I was a child. My mom would yell at me because remember the happy birthday ones that were wrote out? They were a little bit different than this, but you can buy them at the store, and I would just pull them off and eat all the extra letters, and she would get so mad at me. So love those. Those are delicious. And then a bunch of different piping tips. So we have just a regular one. That one will probably be good for grass. It has all the little holes in it. There's that one. Definitely give you a variety. These two are the same. And then another one of those. And for the icing, they're in these bags and they are sealed here. You just need to cut off the tip, put the piping tip on, knead it a little bit. This was in the fridge, so it was a little stiff, but they have delicious buttercream icing. And this right here is worth it to me. I like baking and I like decorating, but I hate making icing and dyeing it all the different colors and making sure you made the right amounts of every color. That's really stressful to me, whether it's cookies or cakes that I'm making. So I love that they take that part out of it for you so you don't have to stress about that. So we have white and brown, yellow, red, and blue. So me and Jackson are gonna go ahead and decorate some of these, and I will insert some footage so you guys can watch. So I noticed when I was unwrapping the cupcakes, it looks like they have some clear icing, maybe like a crumb coat perhaps on top of them, which is a pretty good idea. That way they didn't stick to the cellophane and the icing isn't sticking to the cake and pulling it up and making it look messy. But here I am decorating one. I got some ideas and inspiration from their YouTube page. So I looked up the exact same kit that I had, and this one is how they decorated it. Put brown at the bottom with some green sprinkles, blue icing at the top, and then a tree and a bear. So I thought that was super cute. And then of course I let Jackson decorate probably about half of them. And he's only 6, so he doesn't have much patience. I was trying to show him how to properly hold a piping bag so that he has better control over it. So he did that for a little bit, then went back to just kind of spraying the icing everywhere. But he loves decorating and putting sprinkles on things, and he has a really big sweet tooth, like most kids, so he loves doing this kind of stuff. So I have our sprinkles and little ramekins, that way we can dip them if we want to. And I made one, try to make it look like a little fire going on. And I love this piping tip. I don't know what the number is or the official name of it, but it does make it look like grass. So I kind of use that to make it look like the ground or logs. And this kit came with exactly enough icing. We had a little bit left over. So I was tasting them all, and I do want to say it was delicious. So the brown icing is actually chocolate flavored. The yellow and the red tasted like a normal buttercream, but the white and the blue was the best icing I have ever eaten in my life. It tastes like it was a buttercream, but instead of putting vanilla extract, they might have used almond extract. That's what it tasted like to me, and it was fantastic. So good. The cake was very good, both the chocolate and the vanilla. It was just cooked perfectly. I just cannot say enough good things about their cupcakes. And I have eaten cupcakes from all sorts of bakeries in the surrounding area, grocery stores, even my own. I think my own are my personal favorite, but these are way better than mine. So good. So here are some of the decorations we came up with. I'm gonna take credit for the 3 in the bottom corner and the one I just showed, but Jackson just kind of sprayed icing everywhere. But I wanted to cut one open so you can see. These are really large cupcakes as well. And the kids loved them. So if you guys are interested in a subscription or ordering a kit, or if you live in the St. Louis area visiting them, I will put all their information below in the description box, and you can visit their website at www.sweetology.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.